Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the wearing direction on Amazfit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the watch's crown to open the app menu. Then open the Settings app. Scroll down Settings and tap Preferences. Tap on Wearing Direction at the bottom of Preferences. You can then choose between button on left and button on right, depending on which side your button is on. You can also change your watch's wearing direction settings from your phone. To do this, open up the Zepp app on your phone. Tap Profile in the bottom right corner, and then tap your watch's name under My Devices at the top. Tap Watch Settings. Then tap Wearing Direction. You can now choose between button on left and button on right, depending on which side your watch's button is on. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.